What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, and since I picked up the camera, but if you guys notice, I have a different camera, so now it's a little bit more wider, smaller, and a lot better quality than the previous one. Anyways, I'm going to go to Home Depot right now, or somewhere where they sell water hose, so I can wash the Subaru. And I got some stuff to do later on today with my brother. And my brother sent out his 350 to get a motor swap. We didn't do it here where we live because what's up?
Let's go to the shop or what?
Yeah. Let's go over there.
Yeah, let's go.
That's what I was updating them right now. Yeah, so he sent out his car to the shop because we couldn't do the motor swap here at home. Let's head over to the shop and check it out. Alright, the update is motor's in, took out the bad one, replaced motor mounts, and some other components. That's about it. I couldn't record much because they were pretty busy, and they said the car might be ready today, so yeah, let's go get the water hose and go wash the SUV.
Yeah, I'm looking at Home Depot flexing on you, all of you motherfuckers. Look at it. They're flexing on you. Alright, let's pick. There she is. Somewhat clean, nice washed. I was telling my brother I need to remove the wrap, but I'm actually gonna finish it. I'm gonna do that rear bumper. Like always, this whole side right here. And well, I'm done. I'm enjoying my what do you call it? Popsicle. My popsicle. You want some popsicle?
Alright, so after this, might end up going to my friends real quick just to kill time while my son is not here, and of course kill time while the 350 is getting ready, and we're gonna go pick it up hopefully by today. Right, dude? So let me enjoy my pop. 5:30. That's what time is it right now? 4 in an hour? I don't think he's gonna be done in an hour. Let's hope so. Anyways, let me enjoy my popsicle and pick up the camera when I go to my friends and fuck around there. If you guys watch my previous video, you know where UM-Raps is. We're at 225 Walker Street. If you guys want to get your full wrap. Damn. It's gonna be locked. It's gonna be locked. Imagine I'm giving them a ride, bro, and then my brother calls. Oh, I gotta go, bro.
te los llevas, güey.
Car's clean.
By the way, I'm rocking new hat. Shout out to the homie. Damn, that M41 slicks, bro. That's crazy. Alright. Let's go pick up that 350. 350.
First start.
How many miles does this motor have?
70,000 something.
70,000? So we got a lower motor, lower mileage on this motor, 70,000. That's gangster. Alright, so the 350 is done. Chop here. Alright, we're gonna head over to my friend's shop again, and we gotta clean the windows, the windshield, and make it look a little bit more presentable, since he has no plates on there yet. So, alright, we just made it back to you and Raps. The trap's different or what?
Yeah, that sounds different.
Yes, it sure does. I don't think there's. No, I think they had to use your own header, your same headers.
No.
No?
Because the other ones were like more quieter. Like,
Okay.
it's all good.
Sounds less quiet. Well, it sounds more quiet. That's for sure. Two-step.
I was just like, what's up?
You thought it was gunshots away for sure. Fuck, my ears are.
Fuck, bro. I was right behind it.
Where's the cop? Alright, so we came here with the homie to check out his 240. He has it for sale. This thing is freaking clean from inside. The only bad thing is clapped out from the front. But
As you can tell, so cool.
Yeah, dude, thank God you're alive, bro. But you got like a case for
It's missing a little panel right there, but
Oh, you did? I did.
Funny thing is that, have you ever seen a T40 with the hatch stays on with the good shock? None. Right? None. So the hatch opens and it's pretty hard to close, but closes nice and smooth, bro.
Yeah, I only got this, tossed this one once.
What I love about this car is that it's already a dual cam, and it already comes with the motor.
The day that I got in the crash.
Of course, every 240 has a crank dash, but it has all the panels here. The shifter's not bad. I think it has a show-throw shifter too. No, it doesn't. But yeah, you're gonna have to get a steering wheel. And of course, this car was bought from a older person before the car got into an accident, or before the car got into an accident. Now it had on the chassis, it had 67,000 miles. Motor was swapped with a one with over 100,000 miles, but still, like, this thing is so clean, and now it's part of the channel.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this guy is so excited. I'm excited because I get to get these cars back on the road. That we get to enjoy, and it's gonna be part of the channel. So if you guys are excited as I am right now, make sure you hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, because we are gonna go crazy with this thing. So I already have a couple of ideas, and we are gonna make it happen as soon as we get this one done. I already spoke to my buddy, the one that fixed my brother's 350, and the one that painted, the same guy that painted my front bumper. So I'm gonna have a nice talk with them, and we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. But the major thing is the front part. Other than that, that's it. But we have a big idea. We have an idea how to make it happen. So I'm pretty stoked. All right, so I'm back home. Just bought a Nissan 240SX. What's the lighting so bad with this camera? Anyways, I just bought a Nissan 240SX. It's a 1991, actually. Pretty stoked, honestly. Going back to my roots. And unfortunately, with that money, I was supposed to do a motor swap for the Subaru and do, well, of course, the motor swap and the transmission swap, of course, getting a differential, axles, and all that stuff in order to be a 5-speed. I was gonna spend $2,500 in total for all that stuff, but this 240 came up, and I decided to pull the trigger on it. So that's it. That's that. Well, I'm gonna go pick it up tomorrow, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, because there are more content coming up for the Beamer and also for the 240. So yeah, if any of you guys are interested in picking up my BMW F30, let me know. It is actually for sale. If you guys want to see if you guys can get it or buy it or finance it, you can always hit me up on my Instagram. So just shoot me a DM and we'll go from there. But thank you guys so much for watching. This is not it for this. Thank you guys for watching. But this is a view of the Subi. It's gonna sit here for a little bit longer. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. I love this thing, but I also love the 240. I picked it up for a really good price, so yeah. Anyways, just like this video. Alright, see you later.
Check it. Yo, this beat so heavily, so I deceptively reach inside of my mind and take whatever's left of me. A soul dissected me, yeah, a well-known enemy, ever changing the man that I was for, my true identity, yo. Check out my pedigree, full bitches and readily rule rhythms and melodies, full bitches and heavy weed. Fuck your amenity, life, a given memory, time soon is ending it while we live in selfishly. Cynical brain, killing a physical frame, minimal gain, pitiful lyrical moment of change, pinnacle stage, critical age. Everything that I've done in my life has led me to this day.